Hey everybody, it is late at night and I'm Norman. The battery for the Ricoh has arrived. So let's put this battery in the watch, make sure it's working properly, and see if we can get that friction fit case back on without ruining the watch. Alright, so my SR916SW batteries have finally arrived. It's strange how long batteries seem to take, even when you order them from Amazon. I'm used to 1 or 2 days for most orders, but in my experience, batteries take a bit longer. Let's break one of these out of here. Drop it. Alright, so these aren't the fun gold color that the original one was. It's crazy how thin these batteries are. I'm not sure exactly what the lifespan is on them. Hopefully it's decent, but if not, I have a backup, and they aren't terribly expensive. And we have this case back just sitting on here. And in my previous video where I removed the battery, we got to look at this amazing movement here. I'm pretty sure this is a fairly high-end quartz movement. But again, this watch is super rare. I have yet to see one anywhere online. So hopefully I don't break it. Yeah. Alright, so this battery is held in place by that. So I'm going to slide it in from this side and then push it down. Okay. There we go. And the watch is ticking away, that's good. Now let's see if we can get this case back on. I'm hoping I don't have to use a case press or anything. I'm just a little bit nervous because of this square shape. I don't want to accidentally crack the crystal, because the case press has round dies, which work great with round watches, but I've yet to try a tank or a square watch with it. Alright, so let's orient this with the 12 o'clock up. And we'll put the case back on. Upright. And let's see what happens. Nice. It pops right on there. That's pretty cool. This is such a gorgeous watch. While we're looking at it, let's do a wrist shot of it, because it's been a little while. Tonight I'm wearing the Ricoh because it's crazy stormy outside. We had a huge windstorm, bunch of rain, so this is a great watch for foul weather. Let me take this off, and we'll look at the freshly running Ricoh. It's been a few weeks, so why not? And yep, there it is on my 7-inch wrist. This is a really cool watch. I like how it's classy and yet kind of modern. Very cool. When I do my state of the collection, I'll go over what I like and don't like about every piece that I cover. So I'll go into more details on this one when we get to it. But it is now working again. Nice. Alright, so now the Ricoh is back in working order. I think I might have to wear it. It's been a little while. Thanks for watching.